Ne glede na to, da imamo od 1. aprila naprej najbližji muzej voščenih figur na Dunaju, smo obiskali Madame Tussauds v Londonu, kjer je pred dobrimi 14 dnevi svojo voščeno figuro odkril priljubljen najstniški idol Justin Bieber. Zanimivo zasnovan muzej hrani voščene figure številnih športnikov, pop zvezd, svetovnih voditeljev, hollywoodskih in bollywoodskih zvezd, oseb iz sveta mode, pomembnih zgodovinskih osebnosti in konec koncev tudi likov iz fantazijskega sveta, kot sta denimo Nevidno dekle ali Človek pajek. Ob koncu ogleda smo z veseljem prisluhnili razlagi o tem, kako dolga je pot izdelave voščene figure.
Once you've got the measurements down in the whole body length, we decide what they're going to be wearing on their wax figure. We discuss this with the celebrity and with the famous person we're making, and then we'll find out how we're going to obtain the costume from the celebrity themselves, or from a costume fitter, or from a prop store. Once we've done that, we get to making the wax figure. Right, first of all, while we've got the celebrity, we get a mold of their hands.
Oseba mora roko do komolca potisniti v posebno substanco, ki je neke vrste zgoščena tekočina. Ko jo zvezdnik izvleče, ostane praznina, odtis roke, ki jo napolnijo s tekočim voskom.
The body is made of fiberglass, not of wax. This is underneath every single wax figure. This is the skeleton of the wax figures. Now you can move it to however you want it. And once we've got the original design down, we cover it with newspaper and then chicken wire. And then we cover that with clay and then with fiberglass, just so we've got enough layers to make it durable and strong. Once we've got that sorted, we will make a clay head. Now when we are with our celebrity, we take about 180 photos of their head. And when we're making the clay head, we line all the photos up around the head, and we sculpt the clay head using scalpels and wooden spatulas until we've got an exact replica of their head. Once we've done that, we will cover it with plaster. Once the head is covered in plaster and that is set, we can literally take apart the plaster like a jigsaw puzzle, 13 pieces. We literally throw away the clay head because we don't need it anymore, and then we fill the plaster mold with wax. Leave that to set. Voila, we have a wax head.
Voščeni glavi je potrebno izdolbsti notranjost, kar se dejansko zgodi samo od sebe, če upoštevamo lastnost voska, ki se strjuje od zunaj navznoter. Tako je odločilnega pomena natančna časovna usklajenost, saj je ob trdni zunanjosti glave mogoče izliti tekočo vsebino. Oči so izdelane iz akrila, ustavijo pa jih iz notranjosti glave navzven. Za pritrditev je treba le stopiti nekaj voska okrog njih in že so trajno nameščene.
The teeth are made by a professional dentist. We do the same thing that a dentist does when you do a tooth mold and you go to the dentist and they take a mold of that green stuff that gets stuck in your teeth for about 3 weeks. We do that with our celebrities as well.
Naslednji so lasje.
Every single hair is inserted one strand at a time, and that takes about 6 weeks to cover a wax head with hair. And we use a small implement called a hair inserter. We heat the top of the head to make it malleable, and we literally push every single hair in until the entire head is covered with hair. We do the same thing with the eyebrows and the eyelashes.
Kako pa naredijo kožo tako naravno?
We use oil-based paints and translucent paints just so we can keep adding layers and layers and layers, and it won't ever make a difference because after time it sort of fades away. So we cover it with makeup. We don't ever use any actual makeup. We always use oil-based paints because some of the girls might know if you keep slapping makeup on like over and over and over and over again, it will start to clog up your face and make it a bit minging. Every single wax head can be taken off. Same with the arms and the legs. That way, that's how we get the costumes on our wax figures. We don't stand there for 20 minutes trying to shuffle the costume on the body. We literally take off the arms and the legs and the head, put the costume on, put it all back together again. The entire process takes about 4 months to complete an entire wax figure. That's why we don't have new ones every week.
Ko je ves postopek izdelave končan, sledi odločitev, kam v muzeju postaviti znano osebnost, glede na to, ali je vrhunski filmski igralec, glasbenik, predsednik, športnik in podobno.